To remove this headlight, lift open your hood. You will see two 10mm bolts on the inside of the light. There is another 10mm bolt on the outside corner, bottom of the light. Once all three bolts are removed, go ahead and gently pull the light outward. Untwist your sockets and remove the headlight housing from the vehicle. Your new headlight housing simply plugs in. When putting your new headlight housing in, you want to make sure that everything behind the light, wires, resistors, your hood latch cable, everything that is behind there, you want to make sure it's tucked away very neatly and out of the way of the back of the light, so it doesn't make it to where the light won't sit all the way in the pocket properly. Start with the outer bottom bolt. This will hold the corner of the light in real flush. Lastly, put in your other two bolts on the inside of the light. Close your hood, check your gaps. Make sure everything is good there. Always be sure to check all functions of the light. Your halos, your LEDs, your turn signals, your highs and lows, everything. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe.